I think sir has given a better introduction than me. He has given a good introduction, better than me actually. And just to introduce myself again, I'm Sairam Krishna. I wrote Gate Aerospace in 2019, securing 53 rank. Currently pursuing my master's in IIT Kanpur in structure specialization. So to so I would like to recommend we'll all have a good interactive session now, because we will learn more through interaction. It's what I believe. So in just few minutes we can start with the question session, so that I can answer your questions and queries, and I'll be happy to do that. And these are the points which people can read, and I'll be elaborating this when you ask more questions. So these are the 5 points I have written, but this can be elaborated once people started asking questions. And I'm ready to, I'm ready for the questions, sir.
So basically, he has given emphasis on these five things: maximum focus on class lectures, read the cover topics on the same day of the class or as soon as possible before next class, or in other way, go with flow of the classes, prepare own notes, proper notes, and formula sheets for every subjects that will help during revision, and learn through interactions and discussion. Like we have WhatsApp groups, so there are enthusiastic students, and he was one among them. If anybody shared doubts, he used to be in that loop to have a good discussion. And also that discussion should be to the point. That's where he also believe. And write as many as mock tests possible. So that's where his success lied. Okay, so guys, you guys can ask any particular questions, how he has managed. Okay, so B can start. Anyone who want to ask something?
So good evening, sir. I'm Sridevi.
Yeah, one thing, you don't need to call me sir, you can call me my first name.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
So I just want to know how to manage time, sir. Basically, I have started my internship. I'm in final year
Okay.
engineering.
Okay.
So I'm finding it very difficult to, both study and manage my work.
Acha. When
So
does
are
your
there
work
any
end?
tips for
When does your work end?
6,
6 you end.
6 p.m.?
Okay.
Yeah.
What I used to, my work used to end at 5. So what I used to do, by 5:36 I used to reach home. I used to take a good nap of half an hour or 45 minutes. Then I'll fresh up. I'll start by 7. I used to study till 11, because this will really help you actually. Because after work, starting immediately, I don't recommend for sure. I think
Yeah.
a sufficient amount of nap to be taken, so that your mind is relaxed. Then, if you start studying, just fix what you have to study on the day, just the day before that, and start studying. Don't see whether you can finish or not. Just start studying. You'll automatically come, because once mind is fresh, you will definitely end up in finishing that topic also. So what I suggest is, you're telling you're finding time. Everybody has 24 hours, correct? Am I right or wrong?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
True.
How we
Yeah.
True. Okay. How we cope up is in our hands. Correct? Hello, are
Yes.
you there? Yeah. So
Yeah. Yeah.
what I
Yeah.
will tell is, yeah. What I will tell you is, yeah, I can understand your intern and your projects are going on. You are in final year. Which branch you are in?
Electrical.
Electrical. Okay. Uh, like your projects have been going on. You are doing an internship. So obviously, I can understand it's a burden. Like you have to go do this and do that. But don't worry at all. Once your internship is over at 6, I recommend you to take a good rest till 6:30. Just my timing. It is your time. It's your. I'm just giving a hint. Like not a hint,
Okay.
more of
Okay.
a,
Yeah.
systematic way of doing. Like around 6:30, 6:45, till you take a nap. fresh up yourself, start studying by 7, 7:05, then study till your dinner.
Yeah.
And one more thing, everyone should follow this. You should not study continuously also at the same time. You should study like 40 minutes. Every 40 minutes, take a 2-minute break or 3-minute break. Drink some water. This actually helps. Actually, it looks like actually it is. I did like this. Every 40 minutes, I used to take a 2-minute break, drink good amount of water, and start studying. It was efficient, and at the same time, hello.
Okay. Okay, sir.
It was efficient,
Yeah,
and
I'm
you
able
will,
to hear you.
it was efficient, and we will be able to complete the topics taken on the right pace. Also, we'll be in the pace of the class. Hope that helps.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. There is one more question.
Yeah.
So
Sure.
since there are so many subjects,
Yeah.
was there any strategy you used to remember all of them? Because I've observed by the time I complete one and start the next one, I would have forgotten most of what I studied in the beginning.
In that, what you should do is, I have the third point I have written: prepare your own notes. While studying itself, you should study one thing with full understanding, second with full mind, open mindedness, which actually I think Manoj has mentioned in his last slide. Third thing, if your formula sheets, right? Important formula for every topic and every subject at the time of your completion. Not full completion, even if you have completed the 3/4 of a subject, start writing formulas, important formulas from the day one. Because at the end of the day, you should remember all the formulas for the gate, right?
Right.
Yeah,
So
so I will add one point. So when you have to mug up formulas with a proper understanding of concept. So because in GATE you have to solve problems with good accuracy also and with the speed. So the way when we forget, the only way helps is revision. You have to keep revising. You wake up sometime bit early and revise all the formula which you have written in night. So the revision of formula, if you guys practice in morning, some people say if you study something in morning, you remember for long, but not many people able to wake up early morning. But keep revising formulas.
Okay. Okay. That's all the question. Thank you so much, Saira.
yeah, very welcome.
Yeah. Next, who want to ask? Ambrish? Anything? Anusha?
I have a question.
Yeah,
Hello.
tell me.
Actually, I have done my engineering in industrial and production engineering,
Okay.
and I want to write for industrial and production engineering itself, GATE also. But while taking like government job exams,
Yeah.
for the jobs of mechanical engineer, will that consider industrial and production engineering?
Actually, I don't have much knowledge on that because for my aerospace, like I have the opportunity like ADA or DRDO, and for scientist and project assistant. I think if they, I need to check it out on that because it, this interaction production, I need to ask some mechanical friends. If possible, I will let you know because through sir, because I think most of them write mechanical gate and they will go for these what a PSU. Yeah,
Okay.
that is that okay? That
Yes, sure.
answers your question.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Ayeshwari, I want to add one thing on this. See, through mechanical, most of the PSUs hires, even for HL, aerospace guys can be hired only through mechanical. So I'm not sure, but in many cases, the hiring happens only through gate mechanical in many of the PSU, not either through aerospace or in the production. These are the supplementary branches of mechanical side. So just you can go through details available. We have shared on our website. There is one section PSU notification. In that, one document is there where most of the PSUs are listed, and in that that qualifying stream is mentioned. Okay, so that may help you. So there you can see wherever production engineering is there, that PSU website you can visit. Okay, or wherever mechanical stream is there, there they will write it. Like ISRO says, through ISRO exam in mechanical stream, which all engineering branches are qualifying. So aerospace production all comes under mechanical stream. Is it fine? Can you do that?
Yeah, I'll do that. So one more thing. For 2021 GATE syllabus is is it already released? I could not find.
One thing in Maheshwari, in the actually generally GATE notification comes in August month. So syllabus more of remain same. Sometimes they do some modification, but I am seeing in mechanical or other branches they have not done from few years. But in aerospace, sometimes they have done. Earlier it used to be like simple. Now they mention like special topic, core topic, like that. So we have to wait and watch till August. This GATE notification comes for GATE 2021, and I think it is going to organize by IIT Mumbai. Okay.
Okay, so thank you.
Yeah. So next, Sachit, you want to ask something? Or Sriram? Guys, be quick. Yeah.
Hi,
Yeah.
Hello.
I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
Uh, I am actually fresher. I'm working. What is happening is there's a lot to study in the work also, along with doing the work. So most of the time goes in studying that and doing the work, and even weekends are going for that. Most of
Yeah.
the time I'll be working weekends also. So I seriously don't know how to manage time for this.
Okay. What is your working time, ma?
It's actually I have to work for around 9 hours, but I'm working more than that because I should study and then work. I should learn and then work.
No, while you are working, they are giving you a chance to study on that about it.
Yeah.
So what I will suggest is you are working for 9 hours, right? What is
Yeah, like
is there an exact timing? Is it timing or it is according to their time?
it's flexible. It's according to me actually.
Okay. So which time you generally prefer to work?
I do from 9 to, like now it's work from home, so 9 to 9. Otherwise, it's 9 to 7.
9 to 7 it is. Okay.
Yeah.
Assume you are working from 9 to 7 now.
Yeah.
That in that 9 to 7, just concentrate on the study which you need to work on, like your work for studying for that work. Once 7
Yeah.
is over, as I already mentioned, one of my friend asked about how to manage internship, and the same thing. Actually, you take some rest for some time,
Hmm.
then start fresh. To be frank, around say 8, and
No, like what happens is time goes for traveling also. When I live at 7, I reach at 9.
oh, okay. So you're okay. Work from home. Okay, I need to see that way also. Okay, you reach
Yeah.
at 9, then I think yeah, you can still do it. What I will do is you reach at 9, you
Hmm.
take a rest for some time. Start at 9:30, around 9:30, 9:45. Because when you start, like in the second point, as soon as classes started, if you
Hmm.
read on the day it was taken or in the by the next class, you just need 1.5 hours to 2 hours to study on that every day.
Yeah.
I mean all the 5 days I meant, because first,
Yeah.
what I will tell you one thing, since your timing is little, I can understand your travel timing, including everything. Just first go through the class notes. Okay,
Yeah.
first read the class note thoroughly. After that, I'm telling for the 1 week plan of the topics covered in Saturday and Sunday. Okay, go through
Hmm.
the class notes first, then correspondingly go through the books which having these topics. Hello, are you listening?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
After as I said, first go
Yeah.
through the class notes. Second, go through the books having these topics and try to solve problems on that. By this
Yeah.
time, it will be almost a week by next class. And keep this notes very carefully because every time you have to revise it, right? So always keep a separate note for solving, separate notes for class, separate notes for book, like separate notes for writing the notes from the book and solving the problems. It will give
Yeah.
a very good if you want to go back and revise, you can go through the notes actually.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Did you get me there?
Okay. Yeah.
Anusa,
Yeah.
I will,
Thank you.
Anusa, I will like to add one point. See, this managing job and this classes and study is really serious, yeah, task. So what I will suggest, if you can wake up, if see one thing you can do, if you can study before starting your work, then
Mm.
that will help you more. Why? Because if you can study in morning 2 3 hours, then the full day you can work without worry. Now what happens, you start working and then
Yeah.
whole day it comes to your mind ki I have to study, I have to study. Okay, so I have suggested to few of the people work for lengthy hours and they have to stretch in their professional job. So for them, if they can manage their studies before starting their work, means you have to wake up early. Okay, get up
Mm.
early,
Yeah.
study like 5 o'clock, you wake up till 8 o'clock, then get ready and start your working. Then you can work till 9 o'clock also again, because when you work professionally, you will not see time. You have to deliver your project, then you have dinner
Yeah.
and get sleep early. So you have to manage that way, because for him it, since it was a government organization, so their stretching is not all the time required. Little bit of flexibility, in government sector they have the work culture of 8 to 5 or 9 to 5 kind of. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Uh,
Yes, Sairam, there is one question for you. How did you
okay.
manage stress level during gate preparation?
I was not stressed at all, actually, to be frank. Because if you're stressed now, then you are not believing yourself, actually. It does not that I was not focused, I was not serious and all. I was not very much stressed. I just went with the flow with class, which made me kind of stress, not much stress. Not much stress. Doesn't mean I didn't even have a stress, but I had very less stress, very less. I just focused on my preparing notes, learning the subject, and practicing till like giving my best every time I could do till the gate exam came. From the July, from which I started, till the February 3, where I wrote my gate. So is that okay or more to emphasize on that?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So it is better not to get stressed, instead putting
Yes.
efforts.
Yes, and one more thing I would add upon to all people listening here. If you feel stressed, definitely Dinesh sir will help you out. Actually, when I was kind of in between, I felt stressed. That time, sir actually said my preparation was good, no need to feel stressed. So there was somebody to back me up. Of course, my family was also there to back me up. In faculty, my friends are also there to back me up. So there were some people to back me up. So I couldn't feel that much stressless level. I didn't go up actually drastically. It went down actually, in fact.
Yeah.
And I would like to thank Dinesh sir again for that.
Yeah. So thank you for this appreciation. But always, guys, be ready to discuss with me. I always try to counsel how best I can do with all positivity. Yeah. So next, anyone else?
Sir, how to always stay in studying mode and not get distracted, and any tips for constant motivation?
Can you repeat your question? Sorry, I didn't get you. Just can you repeat your question, please?
Yeah. Always stay in studying mood and not get distracted, and any
No,
tips
I
for
can't.
constant
Yeah.
motivation?
Okay. I understood a question. See, when you have a serious willpower to achieve, right, you'll automatically don't get distracted. That's the first point. To be frank, yeah. It
Yeah,
depends on your mind. It depends on your mind. May I know your name?
Madhukar. Yeah.
Madhukar. Madhukar, thing is, yeah, I can understand your question. Your question is perfectly framed. The thing is, I was about to say this anyway. You popped up with the question. It's a very good thing. Maximum what I did, I will tell. To be frank, I was not in any social media. To be frank,
Yeah.
I was not in Facebook, Instagram. Only WhatsApp. I used to check only when there is some question posted in the class or any discussion to be held. And I only focused on reading in the correct stipulated time which I planned when I was studying. So that way I was not distracted with second thing. Suppose if you feel distracted, don't get worried, just calm down yourself. It take yourself to get away from the distraction, then start studying. What keeps motivated now, your aim should be only achieve a good rank in GATE, a desirable rank in GATE. Automatically you will feel that motivated to study, and it really helps. It will come, definitely it will come. And as sir already said, your friends, your faculty, your family, all will be there to motivate you. So always be with people who motivate you a lot. Dinesh sir motivated me, my friends motivated me, my mother motivated me, my other family members also motivated me. They only said, I just tell them I'm studying uh, this in the stipulated time. They used to say, study well, do your work, do the best. That's all. These things, all of them used to say, and I used to get motivated. I used to study more. Did it answer this, or should I answer in a better way?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Mm.
Madhukar, I understand. It's like sometimes we get distracted. I always say be away from distraction, okay, and be consistent. But we all are human. Sometimes it happens, but you have to move forward, okay. Just sometimes some issue happens, so let those issue die out, okay, naturally. Don't try to do post-mortem of anything, okay. So the best
Yes.
way, sometime any incident happen, bad, good, let it go and be on backtrack. What is the goal? Goal is to do well in GATE exam, and for that consistent preparation is required, okay. Lot of practice, good learning. So just come on track, and track is very simple: efforts, okay, and also efforts in right direction. So here now, since Sairam, in your time classes used to be on weekends, now since classes are online, so almost every day we are in touch, okay. So that's a good thing. So it's not a problem if one particular day you are out of touch, next day be in touch with us again, you will come on track, okay. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, next one.
Hi, Sai.
Hello.
How did you manage your revision?
Okay. A revision, actually, I completed when I went with the flow with the class. It got completed by December. Okay, when I joined July, so I already written that go with the flow of the class. So when I went this with the flow of class, I completed by December. During December, half of the December, in fact, I started writing mock test. Okay, in between also I used to write test by subject test and all. There is a mock test series of IGC I've written, gating, that I was about to say, gating, GATEING. It has
Okay.
15 mock test. It has 15 mock test. So every what I will do is every since the weekends only I have time. To my aerospace exam is on 2:30 to 5:30. Every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I will write on that day time 2:30 to 5:30. One thing, to avoid sleep during afternoon. Second thing, to get used to that timing, the 2:30 to 5:30, uh, so that I can write the gate on that time. So every Saturday from December off, like this around say December 15th till January end, I did like this every weekends. And my classes got over by December first week itself. So I had enough time to uh, revise as well as write the exam also. And one more thing, write as many exams as possible, as many as mock test, IGC mock test, gating mock test. After writing mock test only, sorry, I need to add a point before that. After mock test, I used to go through the test again, where I made mistakes. How can it be done? If I'm not able to get, I used to share that in group. People used to give me a solution. So I used to keep the back of it. I used to print that paper and keep it to know where I made mistakes, so that if the similar question come, I should not make the same mistake. I will give an example of it. What happened? The lift during that elliptical one formula, I made a mistake during the mock test. The same question was asked in gate, but with different values. I didn't make. I got the 2 marks actually. You understood how it
Yeah,
makes a
yeah,
big difference? Yeah, it
yeah.
makes a difference. This is just an example. Like that, many